Hello! I think this is our last new lesson of the semester. Go ahead and pause this and try these two problems. Alright, here we go. So we've been talking about lines. This is a line. It has y equals. So that tells me two things. It tells me the slope, how fast something goes up, how fast something goes down, and it also tells me the y-intercept, the starting point of where this line begins. The slope, how much it goes down or up every time. The slope, which the letter we use is m, so m is -4. It goes down 4 degrees every time. You lose $4 every day. That is the slope. This is the slope. 80 is the y-intercept. It starts at 80. So we use the letter B for start. So the starting point is 80. The y-intercept is 80. A little more difficult is write an equation of a line. So we need these two things. We need the slope and we need the y-intercept. The y-intercept is when x equals 0. So we see x equals 0, so the starting point must be 5. The starting point is 5. The slope is how much it goes up or down every time. In this case, add 2, add 2, add 2. We add 2 every time. So the equation is y equals 2 is the slope times x, and the starting point is positive 5. I once bought my kids a set of batteries for Christmas with a note on it saying, "Toys not included." That's kind of Grinchy, if you know what I mean. All right, let's move on to new stuff. New stuff. Write an equation from the graph. Again, it's a line, so I need 2 bits of information. I need the starting point, the y-intercept, and I need the slope. The y-intercept is where it crosses this line, where it crosses the y-axis. So the starting point is, boom, right here. So where is that? At +1, +2. So the y-intercept is 2. We'll use that in a second. And the slope, how much does it go up or down every time? To figure out the slope, we count up and over. We count up and over. So from this point to this point, I go up 1, and I go over 1, 2. So I go up 1, over 2, and I check to see, is this line going up or going down? It's going up. So the slope is positive. So it's positive 1/2. So to write an equation, y equals slope is 1/2, put it next to x, and the starting point is +2. All right, I'm going to give you 2 and see if you can figure them out. See if you can find the equation of the blue and red line. Let me get these out of here. Go ahead and pause it and try. All right, here we go. I'm going to do the red first. Red. The y-intercept is -1. The y-intercept is -1. So I go, this is 0, go down 1, -1. Then I count up and over. I go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. So the slope is up 1 over 3. The slope is 1/3. So the equation is y equals 1/3 x minus 1. Now the blue one's slightly tougher because this line is going down. This has a negative slope. So the blue, the y-intercept, the starting point is up 1, 2, 3, 4. The y-intercept is 4. And the slope, I go up 1, 2, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. But the biggest thing is, this line is going down. So the slope is negative. Negative 2. Y equals negative 2x plus 4. And if you have questions, try something. You can always take a guess. Hey, Mr. Mack, I think the slope on number 4 is negative 4/3. That's a great question. I'd be more than happy to answer, so take a guess. All right, I think I just have a joke, and that's all. Let's get this all out of the way. And our joke of the day is, what is a Christmas tree's favorite candy? Ornaments. All right, have a good one.